Concrete, steel, and lumber make the buildings, but people make the community. Those were the words of Del Webb, a man who created a whole new lifestyle when he gave active adults an opportunity to form and embrace a community of their own. Del Webb came to the Southwest in 1927 after contracting typhoid fever, which had shattered his hopes of becoming a big league baseball player. Instead of a bat, he swung a hammer, working as a carpenter while he recuperated. By the mid-1930s, Del owned one of Arizona's largest construction companies, and by the end of that decade, he was putting his patriotism to work through a number of large-scale defense contracts, including development of an entire city designed and built to support life on Luke Air Force Base. Now the name Del Webb was becoming well known in reaches far beyond Arizona. Madison Square Garden, Kansas City Stadium, Angels Stadium of Anaheim, and hotels along the Las Vegas Strip were all products of Del E. Webb Construction Company. In 1945, his name became synonymous with yet another part of American folklore, the New York Yankees. For 20 years, Del owned the mighty team in pinstripes, and it could be said that he fulfilled his boyhood baseball dreams as the Bronx Bombers captured 10 World Series under his ownership. But for Del Webb, there was still more to be achieved. Through his work, he had seen how a well-designed community could enhance people's lives, and in 1960, he did it with an extraordinary new concept known as Sun City. With 5 model homes, a golf course, recreational amenities, and shopping centers, Del Webb created a lifestyle that retired people had never enjoyed before. Over 100,000 people celebrated over a 3-day weekend. 50 years later, the communities have changed, but the Del Webb vision remains the same: to help our residents continually redefine retirement by constantly growing and evolving our community.
Clubhouse.